Hi guys, as you might know, on the TV you have HDMI port, you have 13 pins. So today I received this. So I got here this BlueRigger HDMI adapter that cancels this 13 pin on your TV so that it doesn't turn on automatically when you turn your device, which sometimes causes some interference, or that you can control it with another type of controller that might have some inconvenience when you are doing something on your TV. So I'm gonna try it. I have here my TV. I'm gonna connect the HDMI out, and then I connect the adapter like this, and once again, as you see, it didn't turn on when I turned on the adapter. So we're gonna switch to the HDMI. As you can see, it's already detected and it turns on. Now I don't have to worry no more when I'm gaming or something like that, watching TV, that the controller causes some interference thanks to the HDMI adapter, which is quite nice and very convenient. So I would actually really recommend it because it's very easy. It's just plug and play, which is perfect, right? So I recommend it.